Smart Third Party is a third-party maintenance company, or TPM, that takes over when your original equipment warranty expires. To keep your IT infrastructure up and running, Smart Third Party provides the best third-party maintenance on the planet.
At Smart Third Party, we can respond to the customer's needs faster because as a company, we're large enough to take care of their most complex problems, but at the same time, we're still small enough to care.
The key to providing quick solutions to complex IT issues is having the best of the best Level 4 engineers. According to IDC, in their latest analyst brief regarding TPM, one of the key considerations is, does the TPM have the engineering talent?
We have an extensive bench of highly trained, diverse, talented engineers to solve our customers' most complex problems.
Smart Third-Party Level 4 engineers create detailed action plans that ensure problem resolution and customer success.
I work with the systems admins at their data centers, at these different data centers, to understand the issue more in depth so I can come up with a resolution for their issue. I'm able to go into certain diagnostics to determine what the problem is, above and beyond the standard drive replacements, card replacements.
When a customer experiences a problem with their IT infrastructure, a ticket is open and case manager assigned to guide clients through the process. If the problem is more than swapping out a part, the case manager escalates the issue to a Level 4 engineer.
Immediately step in, review that logs live with the customer, kind of talk my way through it, discuss the issue with them, and then from there I'm usually able to just implement an action plan, start troubleshooting what I believe the issue to be and how we're going to go about resolving it in the fastest manner possible. I
walk the client through getting the machine back operational to a point that that they feel comfortable with what's been done and their operation is back online 100%. We also do monitor the machine after we fix the box for a 24 to 48 hour period to make sure there are no other issues on the machine.
Smart third-party clients can rest easy, knowing a team of experts is ready to solve their most complex IT issues should they arise.
They really empower you here to go above and beyond and not, have to tell the customer no. Going above and beyond and taking the extra mile to, make sure that even if it's not something that's technically a hardware break fix issue, we can still resolve it for them.
And the value to our customers is that, they know if they have a complex problem, we have the engineering team that can solve those problems.
It's customer first here. That's always our mentality. You know that you have an entire team here backing you and supporting you to get it done. I definitely think that is a huge key to why customers keep coming back to us and why they're so satisfied.
Smart Third Party, the future of IT maintenance and support.